So I would say passion plus execution equals success in any business. Passion plus execution equals results. And I also always say the little twist when it comes to Broker Solutions Academy is we offer clarity plus systems in order for you to be successful as a business loan broker. So without being vague, what I wanted to do is to give you the MTV Cribs version of Broker Solutions Academy today and actually dive in and show you exactly what do you get when you enroll into our program. So I'm going to have your eyes on the screen. Stop looking at me, okay? I know you like my jacket, but we're going to keep it busy here and take a look at the screen. And I'm going to talk to you exactly what you get. I'm going to break down each one of the different programs. So if you're on the sidelines, if you're trying to think about if this is the right course for you when you're trying to get started in the business loan industry, we've broken this down. We have 4 programs that we offer, okay? We're going to start with our first program here. It's called the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass. You can jump into either one of these programs based on where you are. But the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass, this is a short program that we created for people that are on the sidelines. You know, people that are trying to see if this is something that they want to do. They don't want to make such a huge time and money investment. So we created a small course. It's basically an expansion of my 3 Paths of Lending book. And my 3 Paths of Lending book, if you've never heard me say before, it does not matter how much money somebody's looking for. If they're looking for $5,000 or $5 billion, there's only 3 ways on how you can fund any business, which is based on either credit, income, assets, period. Challenge me on it. Let's have a fight in the comments below if you think that there's any other options. And of course, I'm strictly focusing on debt financing, okay? Don't say something about what about venture capital? What about grants? We don't deal with those as business loan brokers because we generally just don't make money off of stuff like that. So, or at least the business model that I teach about does not make money about stuff like that. So let me be clear. So the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass, 1 module course, you can kill this in pretty much 3 or 4 days, about a week, focused on introducing you to the three paths of lending meta skill, as I call it, teaching you about the gatekeeper, aka the underwriter, understanding how their mindset works, giving you an introduction on how to read credit reports and bank statements, helping you understand the lending lingo, LTV, DSCR, all this different stuff and different lingo that we have in the credit space, FICO score, and a bunch of different stuff. We don't have to get into every single one of them right now, but help you quickly understand those because you got to know how to be able to talk the talk with pretty much any business that you get into. The next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to give you a bird's eye view of what I call the 3 Paths of Lending matrix, so you can understand exactly what somebody can qualify for and what the banks look for each one of these different lending products. Okay. By the way, I love my mic. Okay. Whoever made a comment that you guys did, I didn't sound good. Check out this mic that I got, y'all. I hope y'all like this mic. Okay. Because I know I love this mic. Hopefully I'm not messing up the sound by playing with it right now. But getting back on here, then we quickly go into what it takes to qualify for credit card stacking. Really huge program. You guys seen it everywhere, okay? And then we quickly go into revenue-based lending, what it takes to qualify for revenue-based lending. Then we move into what it takes to qualify for the 5 different asset-based products that are broken down basically by itself because they're all different as it pertains to what it takes to qualify. Real estate, equipment, 401k financing, and stocks financing and settlement financing. Honestly, these right here, I just try to be thorough with my training, but generally business loan brokers don't usually offer these type of programs. There are out there, and you need to know about it as a broker, but mainly you're going to be playing around offering credit card stacking, revenue-based products, and revenue-based products, we're talking about merchant cash advance, factoring, purchase order financing, account receivable financing, SBA term loans, basically things that require income verification for you to be able to qualify, revenue lines of credit for businesses, those type of programs. So we teach you exactly to basically look at a bird's eye view of all those different products. And then lastly, we offer you a client attraction system, basically how you can quickly start generating leads for free, utilizing AI tools that are out there. And then lastly, we teach you briefly how to initiate that initial call and how to pre-qualify a borrower on the phone. Really mini course, okay? Small investment, $37 is basically what we have this on right now, where you can jump into this course. And basically, the main intention here is not to waste your time and not for you to waste our time, but to give you a nice little taste of what products are available in the marketplace as far as you becoming a business loan broker. Give you a nice taste of basically the different things that you can offer your clients. I always say a real business loan broker, not a glorified referral partner, offers a 3 paths to lending. You have to offer all these different products because we don't match. What we do is we don't just sell a specific product and shove it down people's throat. We actually match the lending product with the client funding scenario. Whatever they need the money for based on the underlying facts, we're going to get them. We're going to match the product with the need. That's basically what we do here as a real business loan broker, not a glorified referral partner. Next is our agent cheat code program, okay? Commission cheat code program, which is our agent program. This is now for people that are serious, for people that want to make a little bit more money, for people that want a little bit more of a structure, for people that don't want a little bit of extensive training, because the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass, to be honest with you, it's not really going to get you there. If you're somebody that know what you're doing, then you might be able to jump off the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass. Maybe if you have your own infrastructure. But what Commission Cheat Code is intended to do is to offer you a little bit more infrastructure, just a little bit more, okay? So we have Module 1, which is very, very similar to what you got with the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass. We focus on the 3 paths of lending, as you see on your screen. Again, I told you guys I was going to be transparent. I was going to show you everything so you know exactly what you're going to be getting, okay? Tell me what any one of those training programs out there are really taking you in like this, okay? And our courses are hosted on Kajabi, and I want to be very clear. We don't just expect you to be just watching videos and for you to become an expert. That's not how this works. We offer one-on-one training with each one of these courses that are out there. There's more help offered to our agents and our agency owners, of course. And I'm going to tell you why here in just a second. But, I always say as well, going back to what I just said, we don't just expect you to learn from videos, and we offer you one-on-ones. You just can't expect somebody to ride a bike, watch a video about how to ride a bike and expect to know how to ride a bike. They still need somebody to basically guide them through and walk them through riding a bike after they've watched videos and understood the concept of it. So moving forward, Commission Cheat Code. Module 1, very similar, very, very much so similar to the Wealthy Middleman Masterclass. Module 2 is what makes it different. On here, we do a much more extensive training on using our CRM system. You have to have a system for you to be successful, okay? And remember what I said earlier. Clarity plus systems for you to be successful is what we offer and what differentiates us from our competitors. We offer the clarity when it comes to the products, and we have the systems and tools, proprietary tools, in order for you to actually be successful and launch a successful career in the business loan industry, as I've been doing for over a decade now. Now, what's offered in Module 2 is CRM training, how to handle the initial call, how to basically pre-qualify a borrower on the phone, how to gather the documents that's necessary, okay, credit reports, bank statements, or whatever is necessary based on the specific product. And then we also teach you how we evaluate the client's file, critically important. But we're basically your back office. You don't have to do any evaluation, but it's critically important for you to understand how to evaluate for credit-based lending, how we evaluate for revenue-based products, and how we evaluate for asset-based products. So you know what we look for. So you'll be able to kind of, again, better pre-qualify your clients when you're doing that initial call. But the way this would work with all our agents, and only offer to our agents, is if they have a client, you have access to our CRM, which you get access for absolutely free. There's no ongoing fees for that. And that CRM, you can upload the client's credit report, you can upload their bank statements or any necessary documents that you need us to evaluate. We take that information and we guarantee you within 6 hours, we'll let you know exactly what the borrower qualifies for, okay? And you go back to your client. Let's say your client's name is, Henry. Henry has a business. You get Henry's bank statements. You get Henry's credit report. You upload it into the system. 6 hours, you know what Henry qualifies for. You go back to Henry with instructions and also his pre-approval telling him, Henry, you pre-qualify for this type of loan. These are the preliminary terms. What I need from you is to fill out our agreement, provide me your articles of incorporation, ID, EIN letter, and we'll go ahead and get this to underwriting and get this for final close. You upload that necessary documents, that agreement, credit report, or ID and whatever it is that was needed, and your job is done. We will handle all the fulfillment in the back office. So our roles are split. You handle the sales, we handle the processing. We start off at 50-50 commission, and that can grow to 60-40, you keeping 60, and that could grow to potentially 25-75, just based on volume. So it's a great opportunity out there for people that are just really ready to, great salespeople, great people that want to work with business owners and help them solve their money issues. If you can crank up your leads and get on the phone, and having a back office that you can count on that evaluates your file and get back with you quickly, let you know exactly what the client qualifies for. That is what's offered with the commission cheat code program. In addition to that, on module 3, we also give you some training when it comes to marketing, assertiveness. We do offer you what we offer you a landing page. We offer you a CRM, as I said, and we also provide training on how to basically generate leads for free. That is a training that we're yet to add on to the curriculum here, but we're testing out so many different tools that we're teaching our students on how to generate leads and how to get that phone ringing for absolutely free. Okay, because I always say there's 2 ways on how you can generate leads. You can pay for them. You're doing Facebook ads, spending a lot of money. But if you do not have money and you're just getting started, we show you how you can use different AI tools to generate leads, starting a drip campaign, and you can quickly get the phone ringing without making such a huge investment. So that wraps up our agent program, okay? Next we have is our agency program. Now, this is the big dog of the big dogs, okay? This program is very, 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 very intensive, okay? This is the people that are ready. I'm just going to be honest with you, because it's a much more longer time commitment as well as much more longer financial commitment. So you got to be ready to know what you're doing. It's a 4-module course. As you can see, Wealthy Middleman, 1 module. Nice, short, sweet, beautiful. Introduces you to the concept of business loan, and that's pretty much it. Then you got the commission cheat code, 3 modules. We talk about the products in module 1, and then we get into the infrastructure, pre-qualifying your CRM, and then we wrap it up with a nice bow when we're talking about marketing and some of the, just creating a bulletproof mindset for you to become a business loan broker. Now, the agency program, this is heavy. Module 1, we focus on the 3 paths to lending, of course. Okay, we learn that product knowledge. Now, this is week 2, this is what we're talking about. We go 0 to 100 real quick, okay? Week 2, now we apply everything that we learned in week 1, okay? Because now I'm just not teaching you how to evaluate the client's file. I got to teach you everything, okay? I got to teach you how to evaluate each one of your clients for every single product that are there for every one of these lending pads. I got to teach you how to pre-qualify the, to submit the applications to the, pre-qualify, and then once they're ready to get started, preparing them for processing, doing the due diligence before you submit the applications. After that, submitting the applications, choosing the right lender for that specific client. After that, processing the applications and handling the funding aspect of it. So it's very, very thick. And we talk about that for every single one of the products that are available in the marketplace. So it's very extensive. It's very long. I talked to you about even following up, communicating while it's long. It's thick. It pretty much covers everything. Week number 3 on the agency program, now we talk about foundation and formation. Okay, we start completely from scratch where we discuss, incorporating your business, opening up your bank account, setting up your merchant account, setting up your website. We'll build a website for you, a fully optimized website, not a bullshit ass $300 website, okay? A really great website that you can actually use for your business so you can stand out. Because I always say perception is key, man. Okay, we're not going to give you a crappy website because we want you to be successful. We get your social media game just right. We get you in all the different online directories so you're listed as a lender out there. We teach you about how to work as a team. We get you Google Drive set up. Basically, all the techie stuff. It's all foundation stuff is what we do in week 3. And then we finished the last week with sales and marketing. We get you started with some marketing assets, and we do a little bit of sales. We're using one of my heroes, Tom Hopkins, really great sales trainer. But in essence, that wraps up basically the agency program. Week 1, product knowledge. Week 2, applying what we've learned. Very, very extensive. The meat and potatoes of these programs are all in week 2. This is where the way it's at. Week 3, we get the formation done, and then week 4, we finish off with sales and marketing. That's pretty much wraps up the agency program. And this is for serious people that are ready to start their agency. And then in addition to all of this, there's some one-on-one that we have with you after each and every single one of these modules. So you're not just out there by yourself. So you want to make sure that I emphasize on that. And then lastly, what I decided to do is to take a piece of the agency program that focuses on credit card stacking, and I sell that by itself. Credit card stacking has been a very transformational product. It's very popular right now. There's so many different ads on Facebook, and all different social media channels, Instagram. Everybody talks about getting, $50,000 to $100,000 at 0% financing, and it's an awesome program. It's something that I've been offering for years, over a decade, but right now it's been very much so popularized. But it's a great program. Every business loan broker, whatever the hell you are, you need to be offering it. And so that's the reason why we created a program for people specifically interested in offering that loan. Maybe you've been a commercial loan broker for years and you want to learn how to specifically do that program and that program alone. Maybe you just a consumer and just wants to know how to get the money by yourself. That's the program that you want to get into, and that's what we train you on that program. But in essence, to give you that short little breakdown again, we have our Wealthy Middleman Masterclass. You can kill that thing in a week, maybe 3 or 4 days if you're really serious. $37. Objective is to introduce you into the business loan industry and the different products. Then we have our commission cheat code program. Boom. This program right here, serious people, ready to be an agent, and you want a little bit of back office support. This is what we're going to give you. And we're going to give you the tools, the CRM. We're going to give you the support, pre-qualify all your different clients, and also offer you training, one-on-one training on how to handle that initial call, gathering those credit reports, bank statements, and whatever we need in order to work with your borrower. And then you have your agency program. This is the big shebang bang, okay? This is for people that are serious about running their own agency. We'll give you the training. We'll get you teach you about the execution, pre-qualifying, preparing for processing the applications, communicating while in processing, and also funding and collecting your money, okay, making sure you get paid. And then we talk about sales and marketing. Extensive training is what we're talking about here with the agency program. In addition to that, we'll build your own custom CRM. We'll build a website for you. We'll build all your email drip campaign and automation. We'll build all your note automations in your system. So the agency program is very, very thick, very extensive. That you learn everything on that program. And then lastly, we have credit card stacking. Credit card stacking is a piece of the agency program that specifically focuses on how that credit card stacking service is delivered. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, I hope you guys loved this MTV Cribs video that we just did, where I dive in and let you know exactly what's going on. Hopefully you guys like my new mic, okay, as much as I love my new mic. So anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really appreciate it, and salute. Anyway, if you stay with me through the end, I appreciate you. I really do. Please go ahead and give me a like to the video, subscribe to the channel. And I guess I should go ahead and pay some bills. Let you know what this video is brought to you by our sponsor, Broker Solutions Academy. There's going to be a link in the description. We work with people that are interested in becoming a business loan broker. We have a very comprehensive business loan broker course, and we're going to be teaching you everything you need to know about how to become a business loan broker. Our mission statement is we help business loan brokers understand and simplify the various funding solutions that are available in the marketplace so you can properly serve your clients, stop the endless confusion and self-defeating pointless rat race they're currently in, and grow their business while maximizing profits by teaching them how to become a real business loan broker, not just a referral partner. This video is also brought to you by Pennington Consulting Group, and that's where we work directly with entrepreneurs and also business owners to help them get funded. So if you're looking to start, grow, or even expand your current business, Pennington Consulting Group, is going to be a link in the description where you can go ahead and schedule a time. And like we always say at Pennington Consulting Group, our goal is to help you reach your goal. Again, thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.